So, what is crypto scalping? Imagine buying apples for $10 and selling them for $10.50, over and over, all day long. Those tiny profits add up fast. That's scalping, making lots of quick trades to capture small price changes. Scalpers aren't waiting for Bitcoin to skyrocket. They're in and out in seconds, aiming for consistent, small wins. Think of them as hummingbirds, darting from trade to trade, collecting little sips of profit. The key? Volume. Do this hundreds of times, and those fractions of a cent become real money. Scalping is all about speed, precision, and reading micro movements in the market. Unlike long-term investors, scalpers don't care about a coin's future, just its price in the next minute. They might not even know what the coin does. Their world is pure high-speed speculation. Buy low, sell high, on a microscopic timeline. With enough capital and trades, even tiny gains can snowball. It's a numbers game, played at lightning speed. Most people buy and hold for months or years. Scalpers are done before you finish your coffee. It's not about one big win, but hundreds of tiny, almost guaranteed ones. That's the essence of crypto scalping.
To scalp successfully, you need the right tools. Scalpers live on 1-minute charts, hunting for quick patterns and signals. They use technical indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands, but for instant decisions, not long-term trends. The order book is their radar, showing real-time buy and sell orders. Spotting big buy or sell walls helps predict short-term price moves. Many scalpers use trading bots, software that executes trades in milliseconds, 24/7, without emotion. But bots require skill to set up. A bad bot can lose money fast. The right exchange is crucial. Low fees and high liquidity are non-negotiable. High fees can erase profits, and low liquidity means you can't get in or out fast enough. Every second and every fraction of a cent counts. Scalping is a game of speed, precision, and the right toolkit. Without these tools, you're just guessing. With them, you're ready to play. Scalping promises quick, steady profits. If you're disciplined, you don't need the market to boom, just to move a little. Small daily gains can compound into real money, but the risks are huge. Transaction fees can wipe out your profits if you're not careful. Slippage, when your order fills at a worse price, can turn a win into a loss in seconds. The mental pressure is intense, split-second decisions, non-stop focus, and the temptation to chase losses. Burnout is common. The crypto market is volatile. A sudden swing can erase a week's gains in minutes. Strict risk management is essential. Always use stop-loss orders. Without discipline, you're just gambling. Scalping isn't for the faint of heart. It's high stress, high speed, and high risk. But for those who master it, the rewards can be real. Just remember, protect your capital first. Scalping and hodling are two sides of the crypto coin. Hodlers buy and hold for years, betting on long-term growth. They're marathon runners, patient, focused on the big picture. Scalpers are sprinters, chasing quick profits from tiny price moves. Hodlers research projects and wait. Scalpers care only about the next minute's price. 1 or 2 trades a year versus hundreds a day. Hodling is mostly passive. Scalping is hands-on, demanding constant attention. The right path depends on your personality and goals. If you want low stress and long-term gains, hodling fits. If you thrive on action and can handle risk, scalping might be for you. Both aim for financial gain, just with different strategies. One is a slow climb, the other a series of sprints. Know yourself before you choose. There's no single best way, just what works for you. Ready to try scalping? Start smart. Don't risk your savings. Begin with education. Learn technical analysis, order books, and trading strategies. Practice with paper trading. Use fake money until you're consistently profitable. When you go live, start tiny. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Focus on flawless execution and strict risk management. Always use stop losses. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Keep a trading journal to track your decisions and spot patterns. Review your trades, learn from mistakes, and refine your strategy. Scalping is a marathon of sprints. Patience and discipline are key. Most beginners fail by going too big, too soon. The market is a tough teacher, but the lessons are priceless. Stay sharp, stay humble, and never stop learning.